Soon after the senior leader and former finance minister Arun Jaitley passed away, leaders from across the political spectrum, celebrities and sportsmen condoled his demise. Here is what they said. Prime Minister Modi said on his Twitter account that with the demise of Arun Jaitley ji, he has lost a valued friend whom he had the honour of knowing for decades. His insight on issues and nuanced understanding of matters had very few parallels. He lived well, leaving us all with innumerable happy memories. He said he will be missed. Home Minister Amit Shah said that he is deeply saddened by the demise of Shri Arun Jaitley ji. His untimely demise is a personal loss for him. He has lost not only a senior leader of the organization but also an integral member of the family whose support and guidance he had been receiving for years. Smriti Irani said that a stalwart who paid tribute to his simple beginnings by helping those with meager means, orator par excellence, legal luminary Arun Jaitley ji served the nation and Sangathan with dedication and zeal. My tributes to him, condolences to loved ones. Vice President Venkaiah Naidu said that his death is an irreparable loss for the country and personally to him also. He said he has no words to express his grief. He was a powerful intellectual, able administrator and a man of impeccable integrity. Bollywood celebrities have also condoled Arun Jaitley's demise. Sunny Deol, who's also now a leader of the BJP, said that the nation loses another great leader. Our thoughts and prayers are with his family. Anil Kapoor said that he met Arun Jaitley almost 20 years back for the first time and has been his admirer ever since. His demise is a huge loss for our nation, he said. He will be truly missed. His heartfelt condolences to the family. Ritesh Deshmukh said that he is deeply saddened by the passing away of Arun Jaitley. He gave the deepest condolences to his family and loved ones. Opposition leaders too paid their tribute to Arun Jaitley. Congress President Sonia Gandhi expressed deep pain and distress at the untimely passing away of Jaitley. She said that he had a long innings as a public figure, parliamentarian and minister, and contributions to public life of his will forever be remembered. Shashi Tharoor said that he is deeply saddened by the tragic passing away of his friend and Delhi University senior Arun Jaitley. He said, and I quote, "We first met when he was at DU Student Union and I was the president of St. Stephen's College Union. Despite political differences, we enjoyed a healthy mutual respect and debated his budget often in the Lok Sabha. A great loss for India." Sharad Pawar said, "Deeply saddened by the demise of veteran BJP leader, we have lost an astute parliamentarian, avid reader and a compassionate leader. I extend my heartfelt condolences to his family." As Arun Jaitley has been the vice president of BCCI, cricketers also paid their tribute. Harbhajan Singh said that he was sad to hear of Jaitley's demise. He paid condolences to his family. Virendra Sehwag said, and I quote, "Pained at the passing away of Arun Jaitley. Apart from having served greatly in life, he played a huge role in many players from Delhi getting an opportunity to represent India. There was a time when not many players from Delhi got a chance at the highest level, but under his leadership at the DDCA, many players, including me, got a chance to represent India. He listened to the needs of the players and was a problem solver. Personally, I shared a very beautiful relationship with him. My thoughts and prayers are with his family and loved ones."